Hi, welcome again, friends. Welcome to my channel once again. Namaskara ellargu. So today, what shall we do? Yeah. So ivattu maybe we'll prepare a salad, a very simple salad, high protein, with egg, sprouts, and all. So very easy to prepare. All I want to show you is basic ingredients available at home and very easy to prepare. That's my intention. So yeah, if you like, please follow, subscribe, and share if you like. And yeah, let's not do much of talking. Let's directly go to and let's prepare this salad. So for this salad, I use around 150 grams of sprouts pre-soaked, some carrots, tomatoes, available vegetables like bell pepper and fresh spinach leaves, and also boiled eggs, only the white part. A good combo for this is definitely a salad dressing, which I also prepared freshly. For this, I use some yogurt, some black pepper powder, some chillies, some dill leaves, along with some salad herbs. Mix them well together and just add it to the mix. The find is seasoned with some fresh seeds, pine seeds, and mix the salad well enough and add salt as per the need, or you can also add some more pepper and so on. And yeah, transfer to a plate or bowl, however you like. So there you go, fresh salad is ready. So finally the salad is ready. Well, to be frank, I'm not a salad person. I don't like salads, but what to do to be healthy and also, let's say, to live like animals, because they eat a lot of fresh food. I thought of why not trying like this. So try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು. Hope it comes good. And additionally, if you like a little bit more spice, then you can add some more chilies, or even I would prefer also sometimes Maggi masala. So yeah, so let's try. Quite good. Well, this will be my food today, my lunch on a Friday afternoon. So hopefully you like this, and maybe if you try it and let me know in the comment section. And for more of such videos, please follow me. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.